Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting friends. And today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset friends Bluetooth setting. Friends you want to reset Bluetooth setting on your phone. So how to reset friends Bluetooth setting. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Then first of all open your phone setting to reset phone Bluetooth setting. After on phone setting friends scroll it. Friends click on phone additional setting. After on additional setting friends you want to change your phone language. Friends you can change language. Friends you want to set date and time. Friends you want to schedule your power of time, so you can schedule from here. Friends OTG connection you want to on, so you can on from here. Friends click on last option backup and reset. Click here. Friends you want to backup your data, so when you can backup from here. After on backup my data you can backup account. Friends you can see erase all data factory reset. Friends click here. Friends you can see you want to erase friends all data on your device, so when you can erase from here. Friends click on reset network setting. Click here. And friends click here. Friends after 4 and 5 seconds friends your Bluetooth setting will reset. And friends now you can use your Bluetooth setting. Friends you want to connect any device, so friends you can connect your Bluetooth device. Click here. Friends you want to connect any device, guys you can connect, guys select network your Bluetooth device. And friends pair here. Friends now you can use after pair. So like that friends we can connect, we can pair Bluetooth device on a lava phone, oh sorry friends, on oppo phone device guys. So like that friends we can reset. And friends you want to change your device name, your Bluetooth device name, so friends you can change your Bluetooth device name from here. So like that friends we can reset Bluetooth setting guys. After reset friends you can pair any device. And once you have any problem to pair any device, so friends take screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me in comment section friends, I will make video for you. Bye guys.